You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this video game if you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, including from gaming. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to hear and learn from. Pronounced, it comes from French. Clair Obscur Expedition 33. Alright, so let's break it down. How you can easily say it in English. Clair Obscur. Chiaroscuro in Italian. Clair Obscur. Clair Obscur, you could say. Clair Obscur. And then it'd be fine if you say Expedition 33. That'd be fine. But if you want to say it the French way, Expedition 33. Or Expedition 33, you could say. Also, you could say Clair Obscur Expedition 33. That'd be fine. Or Clair Obscur Expedition 33. How do you want to say it? How do you say it? Let us know in the comments. I'd be curious to hear it. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.